I am here to offer a 2-minute tutorial on mindful breathing. We will begin by taking a moment to stop, pause, and connect with our breath. Make sure you are in a comfortable seated position, placing your hands on your desk or in your lap, sitting up straight so that your spine is tall and your feet are connected to the floor. Drop the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your face, and begin to close your eyes. Notice your breath without changing anything. Just observe it, placing your attention on where you feel your breath the strongest. Maybe that's the nose or the lungs. Wherever that is, place your attention. As you begin to inhale, imagine inhaling peace and calm and exhaling any stress, worry, or negativity. Seeing if you can stay connected to your breath as if you are its bodyguard. Imagining your breath as a magnet and keeping your attention glued to it throughout this practice. See if you can get your inhales to a count of 7, your exhales to a count of 11. With each inhale, allow your mind to rest, and with each exhale, allow your body to relax. See if you can sense your breath and just feel how it feels to breathe. Let the breath be as effortless as possible as you stay with the practice and the intention of being present. Allow yourself to step out of thinking. When we bring ourselves into stillness, the brain wants to pull us into thought. That's okay. When those thoughts do come, I want you to imagine they are clouds in the sky, and just as you would a cloud, you notice it, and then bring your attention back to your breath. We can break the habit of distraction as soon as we notice the mind has drifted away, and we bring it back. The moment you have noticed you are distracted, you have regained awareness. This is the practice of mindful breathing. Take a moment to check in and notice how you feel from just a few minutes of breath. Then slowly bring your attention and awareness back to the room.